Shiba Inu coin news today, get ready. Shiba to 10 cents soon, after a total gain of 441,605.51% since its launch. Shiba Inu is still bullish in late 2021. Watch this video until the end to find out more. I'm sure if you are a crypto enthusiast you will be familiar with Shiba Inu, but for those that aren't, Shiba Inu is a meme token with a total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens. However, from the beginning, 50% of the tokens have been locked in Uniswap's liquidity pool and the remaining were gifted to Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum. Buterin on his hand proceeded to burn most of the tokens that he got. He gave away the rest to charity to help the devastating spread of COVID-19 in India. So, even though Shiba Inu is a meme token, its team has made sure to increase the value and utility of the token in the crypto community. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some of the juiciest and best news that you will not hear anywhere else, as well as giving you Shiba Inu price analysis and my personal SHIB prediction. Make sure you watch until the end of the video because this one is fire. Hi there, my name is Nathan and welcome to CASHIFY, the #1 channel on YouTube dedicated to giving you high-quality content and high-quality cryptocurrency information. Also, we're giving away $300 at the end of the month to a random subscriber to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite crypto coin in the comments section down below. Shiba Inu is quickly taking over the crypto scene and is growing at a very fast rate. The community around the coin is extremely strong and lots of people believe that the coin could reach 10 cents. Shiba Inu has been in the news a lot recently, mainly because the coin was very recently listed on Coinbase and Binance, two of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. This led to Shiba seeing a spike in value as it made 25% gains over the weekend. Unfortunately, the coin has come down in value since. On the positive side of things, Shiba's official Twitter account hit 900,000 followers and looks likely to hit 1 million followers before the end of the month, which is likely to give the coin a lot of publicity and increase its value. And now with new news breaking out, we could see a massive spike in SHIB's value. Currently, Shiba is priced at the number on screen now and is up 8.4% in the past 24 hours and is up 12.3% in the past 7 days. It also currently has a market cap of $3,757,782,756. Shiba has had a trading volume of $342,608,832 in the past 24 hours. Shiba Inu adds over 100,000 new holders in 3 months. The new findings reveal that Shiba Inu added over 100,000 new holders to its decentralized meme token in just 3 months. By way of explanation, on June 21st, there were 536,300 holders of the meme token, according to Etherscan. when using a web.archive.com tool for historical data. Compared to the figures from Tuesday, September 21st, there are 668,810 SHIB holders, representing an increase of 132,310 new holders at the time of publication. Numerous small-scale investors appear to have been drawn in by the inexpensive cost. As early as September 9, 2021, investors were able to be SHIB millionaires for as much as $7, with $1 buying 146,000 coins of the dog-inspired cryptocurrency at the time. However, since Shiba Inu's listing on Coinbase on September 16th, the price has surged dramatically, with $870 million pumped into the token in just 24 hours. Dogecoin price explodes following massive spike in Dogecoin and Shiba Inu holders. Shiba Inu now has 668,810 holders of the meme coin, an 18% spike in the past 3 months. And AMP plans to accept Dogecoin for online payment, and Robinhood gears up to launch a wallet for storing and transferring Doge and possibly Shiba. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have increased in popularity over the past few weeks. The SHIB community continues to petition for the meme coin's listing on Robinhood, one of the most popular exchanges. Now time for my personal SHIB prediction over the next couple of days. I think things are looking good for Shiba and there is hopefully going to continue to be some good gains in the next few weeks when more coins are burned. If you want to learn more about how Shiba Inu could hit 10 cents soon, then check out the video on screen now. You won't be disappointed. Before we finish today, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video and let me know what you learned in the comments. Thank you for watching until the end of the video.